Hello, this is David Bartley from Bartley Realty, 239-261-1186, and I'm here at Innovation at ITEC today here in Fort Myers, just off Alico Road, taking a look at Building B. We have three buildings, Building A, B, and C. Each building has 8 units in it. Each unit's approximately 2,500 square feet. We have units here for lease or for sale. This is being developed by Phoenix Associates, Southwest Florida's premier design build firm. For more information about Innovation at ITEC, give me a call, 239-261-1186.